Good morning from Canada. What we have here is a ultrasonic humidifier, and that particular humidifier is a cool mist humidifier and no filter required. About a half a gallon of water, and that'll last you 20 hours. Now the reason I got this particular gadget is because I was experiencing nosebleeds, and that's basically due to the fact that during the winter the air in the house is quite dry, and it makes for a lot of discomfort. But anyways, just had this cranked up last night, and just after one day it has made a difference. So I would recommend this if you're having similar problems with congestion, and hey, it was only 40 bucks. A good investment in your own health. Cheers from Canada.